In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on eBay. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch the site's language by choosing a different regional site, which is how eBay handles language preferences. This is helpful if you're browsing from another country, practicing a language, or simply wants to see listings and settings in a different locale. First, start on the eBay homepage. Look to the top right corner where your account name appears once you're on the site. Hover your mouse over your account name to open the menu. Then click Account Settings. We're using this page because it consistently shows the global site selector in the footer, making it a reliable place to change your region and language. Give the page a moment to load so everything in the footer appears properly. Next, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. In the footer, you'll see a country label. If you're in the United States, it will say United States. If you're elsewhere, it will show your current country. Hover your mouse over that country name. This hover action opens a menu or panel that lists other eBay regional sites. Think of this as eBay's language and region switcher. If the menu doesn't appear immediately, move your cursor slightly over the country label again until the list pops up. This is the place where you can browse alternative sites that present eBay in different languages and may also display local currency and shipping options. Now, from that list, click China as an example. The page will refresh and take you to eBay's regional site for China, and you'll notice the interface language and some site elements adjust accordingly. Depending on the region you choose, you may also see changes to currency symbols, featured deals, and the availability of certain categories. That's normal because eBay tailors each regional site to local preferences and marketplace rules. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you explore. If you want to return to your original language and region, repeat the same process. Go to the bottom of the page, hover over the country label, and pick your previous country. Your choice typically sticks to your current browser, so if you use another device or a different browser, you may need to set it again there. Also, some seller-created content can appear in the seller's original language, even after you switch regions. But menus and core site navigation should reflect your chosen site. That's it. You've switched eBay's language by selecting a different regional site quickly and safely. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.